Thanks for tuning in. It's been a minute since I could make a video, but anywho, what I have in my hand right now is mountain bike glory. It's the Toe Peak Smart Gauge D2 digital tire pressure reader. It's definitely a useful tool to have if you run tubeless tires. But this video isn't a review on this. It's to show you guys my frame for the budget bike build that I have coming. Let's get to it. What I have here is a Diamondback Overdrive. I found the frame on Facebook Marketplace for $50, and I figured for a budget bike build, that's perfect. I wasn't going to pass that up. The bike definitely has war wounds, but what I'll be doing is I'll be replacing parts on my full suspension Diamondback, and those parts will trickle down to this frame here. Whatever I need after that, I will make purchases. I knew that the bottom bracket and crankset definitely need replacing. So I purchased a budget crankset on Amazon for $35. And I'll swap that out. I've had multiple Diamondback bikes, so the bike build isn't going to be an issue at all. My bad, y'all. I just felt like bojangling for a minute. The Diamondback I'll save for a later date. What I have here is a 2019 VooDoo Aizan. It's a 29er frame. It has quick release dropouts, but the rear spacing is 141 millimeters. That makes wheels very hard to find at this moment. Right now, everything is on a waiting list. Specialized have a set of stout wheels, which are sold separately, but aren't in stock right now. I'm very interested in the WTB ST Light I-29 wheels. Those are the ones that I want, but they are definitely almost impossible to get right now. But let me show you the frame a little. Core stem, 50 millimeters. Core Durox handlebars, 760 millimeters. Ergon grips. FSA number 11N headset. Microshift Advent cassette. 9-speed, 11 to 46 tooth. Core direct mount chain ring, 32 teeth. SRAM 9-speed chain. So to everyone, I apologize that I could not make this a complete bike build, but everything is dependent upon the availability of parts right now. So just bear with me. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.